Hello guys. Welcome back. This is Mask Edit. Do you want to take your edit into new level? You are on right place. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
First, freeze the clip. Then remove the background. Convert it to overlay. Go to Adjust, then to Graphs. Drag the white circle down and drag the red circle to the far right. Set shadow to -50. Set whites to +50. Set temp to +50. Then go to Effects. Add Glow to. Go to Object and set it to Overlay. Duplicate. Add to Keyframes at the beginning and end of the overlay. At the beginning, drag it down. Go to Graphs and set it to Quad Out. Then go to Overlay and add this overlay. Set it to the clip, then go to Speed. Set speed to 1.4x. Then go to Remove BG and remove the black background.